finding the right kitchen tools can make daily tasks easier and safer. The top 5 best can opener for seniors is designed with comfort, simplicity, and ease of use in mind, ensuring independence while reducing strain during meal preparation. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. CONAIR can opener for seniors. The CONAIR can opener for seniors is a practical, sturdy, and easy-to-use tool designed to simplify mealtime preparation. Built with a Cuisinart quality-engineered motor system, this can opener makes opening cans of all sizes effortless with its power-cut blade. One of its standout features is the solid base, which prevents the unit from sliding or tipping while in use, a particularly helpful detail for seniors who may have reduced grip strength or mobility issues. The single-touch operation makes it very user-friendly, eliminating the need for complicated setups or strong hand movements. With just one press, the opener gets to work, cutting through lids smoothly and reliably. Cleanup is also hassle-free, thanks to the removable activation lever that can be detached for washing and maintenance. Seniors or caregivers will appreciate this ease of cleaning, ensuring that the appliance remains sanitary without requiring much effort. Another key advantage is that it's built for long-term reliability with durable materials that withstand daily use. The design focuses not only on performance but also on safety, minimizing risks of slipping or improper operation. For seniors who want a dependable can opener that's both functional and simple, the CONAIR can opener delivers exactly that. Its straightforward design makes it a smart addition to any kitchen, offering peace of mind with every use. Whether for opening small cans of soup or larger family-size containers, it adapts easily and gets the job done without fuss. This makes it an excellent choice for older adults who value safety, convenience, and efficiency. Number 2. Kitchen Mama can opener for seniors. The Kitchen Mama can opener for seniors is an innovative and versatile electric opener that significantly elevates meal preparation. Its sleek design and efficient operation make it an ideal choice for seniors who want convenience without sacrificing performance. The rechargeable design is especially appealing, with a powerful 2,900 mAh battery that can open over 150 cans on a single charge, ensuring it's always ready for use at home, while traveling, or even on camping trips. Unlike traditional openers that rely on disposable batteries, this model eliminates waste and reduces hassle, providing a more sustainable option. The dual-blade system is another standout feature, designed to handle cans of different shapes and sizes, from small soda cans to larger heavy-duty tins. It operates smoothly and shuts off automatically when finished, leaving clean, smooth edges and ensuring no mess or sharp lid fragments are left behind. This not only makes food preparation safer, but also minimizes the effort required to handle open cans. Seniors with arthritis or limited hand strength will appreciate the ergonomic, strain-free design, which allows for comfortable handling without putting stress on the wrists. The inclusion of a practical storage box further adds value, helping to keep the kitchen organized and tidy. Unlike many can openers, the Kitchen Mama has been thoughtfully designed for everyday convenience, offering seniors a balance of safety, reliability, and modern functionality. Whether it's for daily home cooking or occasional outdoor use, this rechargeable can opener is a reliable companion. For those seeking a combination of durability, portability, and efficiency, the Kitchen Mama can opener is an excellent choice that simplifies kitchen tasks while providing a premium user experience. Number 3. Canslab can opener for seniors. The canslab can opener for seniors stands out as an advanced, feature-packed electric opener that brings style, power, and convenience into the modern kitchen. Its Ultra Blade Pro design is sleek and ergonomic, but beyond looks, it's engineered with performance in mind. Seniors will appreciate its simple one-touch operation and auto shut-off feature, powered by an upgraded smart chip that ensures the opener stops automatically once the cut is complete. This hands-free functionality is particularly beneficial for those with arthritis or reduced mobility, as it requires virtually no effort. The motor is industrial grade, delivering 28% faster performance with 28% less noise compared to traditional battery-operated can openers. The result is a quieter, quicker, and more pleasant experience in the kitchen. With a built-in 2,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can open around 120 cans per charge, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Another major highlight is its side-cutting design, which leaves a safe, smooth edge and avoids contact with the food inside, keeping everything sanitary. The retractable lid picker and magnetic lid lifter make removing lids effortless, even from sticky or pressurized cans, reducing the risk of spills or injury. Compatible with nearly all can sizes, this model provides seniors with a truly hands-free and worry-free solution for daily meal prep. Number 4. Koolatron Can Opener for Seniors. The Koolatron Can Opener for Seniors, also known as the Kenmore Smooth Edge Electric Can Opener, prioritizes safety and ease of use above all else. Its standout feature is its smooth edge cutting design, which ensures that lids are left with rounded, safe edges rather than sharp, jagged ones. This is especially valuable for seniors who may have less dexterity or are prone to accidental cuts when handling cans. The side cutting method also allows the lid to be reused for storage, offering added practicality in the kitchen. Its sleek, modern appearance makes it a great fit for any countertop, blending style with functionality while resisting fingerprints and maintaining a clean look. Designed to handle multiple can sizes, from small pop-top cans to large industrial containers, it is versatile enough for everyday use, special occasions, or even camping. The ergonomic, hands-free operation means that with just a single touch, the can opener goes to work, requiring minimal effort from the user. This makes it ideal for elderly individuals, left-handed users, or anyone who struggles with traditional manual openers. Another benefit is its food-safe operation, as the blade avoids direct contact with the contents of a can, keeping food clean and reducing mess. This detail is particularly useful when storing leftovers or preparing meals that require sanitary conditions. Number 5. UHIYEE Can Opener for Seniors. The UHIYEE Can Opener for Seniors is a durable manual option built with sturdy all-steel construction, making it a long-lasting and dependable kitchen tool. Unlike many electric models, this opener offers seniors a simple and reliable way to handle cans without worrying about charging or batteries. Its sharp and high-carbon cutting wheel ensures smooth, easy cutting, while the gear-driven mechanism provides consistent performance, even during heavy use. What makes this opener particularly senior-friendly is the design of its extra-large, soft grip handles, which reduce hand fatigue and provide greater leverage when turning the crank. This thoughtful detail makes it easier for seniors with limited hand strength to operate the opener without strain. Another highlight is its ability to handle large number 10 cans, thanks to its strong frame and large crank. This makes it not only suitable for everyday household cans, but also a practical tool for bigger meal preparations or community kitchens. The built-in magnetic lid lifter adds convenience by safely removing the lid after cutting, preventing it from falling into the food and eliminating the need for a knife. Additionally, the integrated bottle opener on the side enhances its versatility, allowing it to serve multiple purposes in the kitchen. With the backing of UHIYEE's 1-year hassle-free replacement assurance, buyers can feel confident in their purchase, knowing that the company stands behind its product. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.